I know you want to know what the future holds for mortgage rates. We all do. The challenge is rates are nearly impossible to predict, but I can give you the best information we have right now. Take a look at this. Here's the average of the expert mortgage rate projections through the same time next year. It shows rates will pull back slightly over the next few quarters. That's because if inflation keeps cooling, rates should dip down as a result. And here's the advice I'll give you. Based on my experience, only three things can happen with mortgage rates. They stay where they are, they go down, or they go up. If you buy now and rates don't change, you made a good move because prices are expected to keep climbing, costing you more in the long run. If you buy now and rates fall, at least you've got the house before home prices appreciated more. Plus, you can always refinance later if mortgage rates drop. If you buy now and rates rise, you bought before both the price and the mortgage rate went up, and that's a win. Have any questions? Give me a call. I'm Jim Starwell, leader of the Star Home Team at Better Homes and Gardens Real Estate. Let's talk.